You only need to do a few things right in order to succeed. All of your effort is equal, but you don't get an equal return of your investment of time and energy. You can get back much less or much more. 80% of your business profits come from 20% of its products. So you should put all of your time and effort behind selling these 20% products. Start by selling items priced at a minimum of $250 because in retail you make an average of 10% profit per sale. So for a product you're selling for $20, you profit around $2. And for products you sell for around $250, you profit around $25. With the $20 products, you need to make 12 times as many sales to equal the amount of selling an item priced at $250. 12 more sales means you'd be more stressed, trying to fill all those orders. It means more tracking numbers you have to upload to your website. More transactions mean you need to keep track of more things for bookkeeping. You'll make more mistakes, and after a while, you'll be wasting your time sending hundreds of emails to your wholesaler. You'll probably start to hate yourself because it feels like a waste of time. It's extra work for you, and it isn't worth all the stress. This is a lifestyle business, and the less work you have, the less mistakes you'll make. The goal is to make the most money possible with every single sale. In my experience selling sports cards, for you to reach that price point, you need to sell in bulk. Cards come in packs, packs come in boxes, and boxes come in cases. Selling the cases means selling in bulk. Each box might sell for $50, but you could sell the cases that it might have 12 boxes inside for $600 per case. In the year 2012, the first year in business, 85% of my profits came from selling cases, and 15% of my profits came from selling boxes. Needless to say, it seemed like a waste of time selling boxes, so I stopped, and I focused my time selling cases. After a month, a few years, figure out what you're selling most, and focus your time selling that.